Hey everyone, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Today we're looking at a product called Epic by Mosh, Bari. And before we get into that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the links in my description for my free course on affiliate marketing on how to make money online. So Epic, let's just read the headline. Create your first profitable video course by lunchtime tomorrow using other people's time, traffic and expertise. Even if you're not an expert or haven't even made a sale online. So, man, this product is just completely pointless. And let me show you why. It's bad. It is really bad. It's epically bad. So what the idea of this program is to make an online course, right? So you make video courses, but all this is a video creator. It doesn't show you how to make a course, where you're going to get your content from, or anything. It's just a cheap video maker and editor. And man, it's even bad at doing that as well. So you've got API settings. I'll go through all of it. So this is the dashboard where all your videos are made, where you can see all your videos. API settings. So where you can log in with Google. I think you can put your Dropbox in here as well. Users. These are all the users you can add on here. I don't know why these are all here. I've never added any of these people. So done for you video. This doesn't make sense. You have to add your done for you video, I guess. But these two here, can't do nothing with them. These are just nothing. You add your done for you video, but you have to upload it from your own computer. So how's that done for you? So that's rubbish. The help, this is where the training is. And the training is just 2 videos. That's it. You've got him banging on about how much money you can make and how much money he's made with courses. And this is the detailed training. Literally a 9-minute video. Doesn't show you how to make a course. Doesn't show you how to upload them on Udemy, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. Doesn't show you where to get your content from. All it shows you is how to use the system, how to upload a video and make a video. But then, once you've made that video, what are you supposed to do with it? And he's going, he's going on about some stupid meme there. Like he's making a video out of a meme. It's like he's showing you how to make an Instagram post or something, not an online course. Fair enough, you can add audio, you can add video, you can add text. But you can do that with the most basic programs. This isn't anything new. In fact, if anything, this is even worse than a lot of things out there. Because it is so basic, it's unbelievable. And you're limited. Let me just show you anyway. So that's the training. It just goes on about, look, you've got cats here. Why has he got cats there in the example? He should be showing you how to make a course, not little posts, cat videos. And that's it. It just shows you how to make it, and that's it. That's the detailed training. Complete rubbish training. This is rubbish. Like I said, it doesn't show you how to make a course. It just shows you how to use the system, which is really bad. So let's just make this one from scratch. You got to create new. Complete rubbish. On here you've got images, text, video, trim, audio, background, video, music. So here, for some reason, you've already got the Epic logo there, and it's a 10-minute slide, which is completely pointless. You don't want a 10-minute slide of Epic on your screen, do you? So that can be deleted. Anyway, we have to make one first. So images, you can browse, upload from your computer, or if you've got a URL link, or you can just go to Pixabay. So let's just go to Pixabay. Money. And I mean, it's basic as hell. Then you can add your text. I don't know, module 1 maybe. Bold, underline, center. Just the basic controls there. Obviously you can change color and whatnot. Module 1, then you save. Now let's just add a video. So you got your first slide or, you know, intro or whatever, and see there, it's 10 minutes. For some reason it goes straight to 10 minutes. You don't want it for 10 minutes. You don't want that sitting on your screen for 10 minutes. But it doesn't show you any of this. It doesn't show you how to adjust everything. Let's just do it for 10 seconds. Add new. See, now that's been copied. I know. Alright, so that one's been edited. It's rubbish, man. I really hate this thing. It's so... See, look, I've changed that one. It's still showing 10 minutes. So why is that showing 10 minutes? Let's just delete these. Yeah, of course I do. I don't want epic all over this. Well, looks like it's just going to show for 10 minutes. Let's add a video. Now, for some reason, it doesn't... See that? It's come back now. This is a joke. It's a complete joke, man. Now, you can't actually upload any videos longer than a minute. Because I've tried uploading... Let me show you. So I've just got this PLR call. So that was an intro, which is only 30 seconds, which it allowed. But I tried to upload the next bits. Now this is notoriously slow. This whole system is slow. He even says it in the training. He goes, they've got the top-notch SQL servers, but due to the number of people on it, it will slow down. Trust me, this is slow anyway. He's just trying to blag it there. This is slow. This is really, really slow. So, I mean, I'll cut out some bits. I'll cut out the uploading bit so you're not sitting there waiting. Okay, I'm back. That took about 2-3 minutes. And then it gives you error. The file you attempted to upload is larger than permitted size. So you can't upload something over a minute or so. So that's completely useless. If you're trying to make a course and you've got a video, you can't upload it, basically. So that alone renders this thing completely useless. So let's just go with this one anyway. It's a 30-second video. This is just an
Hello and welcome to this course on affiliate.
It's just an intro video. You know, if you can't do anything more than 30 seconds, then you're in trouble, aren't you? So you save that. And again, let's go to add new just to make sure it all comes on the side. So that is 10 minutes. I don't know why. Let's just move this to the top. This, delete. I don't know why it's not going away. Stupid, isn't it? I mean, you want to be able to change that, but it doesn't let you change it. I mean, I've brought it down to 10 seconds there, but it still says 10 minutes up there. So let's just move this back up. Alright, let's just render. And that's it. Now this is going to take about half an hour. Let's just refresh because I had this one going. Yeah, this has been going on for ages as well as the test I did. But it's rubbish. It's slow. It's cheap. I mean, man, if you're using this to make an online course, you're bang in trouble. Trust me. So I mean, it does email you because I got an email with one of the tests I did earlier, but it took about half an hour. I'm not going to wait for this because this just takes too long. I haven't got time to wait for this rubbish. So once you've done your video, which is only going to be obviously that screen, let me just show you. It's only going to be this video and the module, which is 10 minutes. I don't know why it's going to be 10 minutes. But once you've done your video, you can either play it there or you can upload it to Amazon, Dropbox, Google Drive, download it to your computer or whatever, share it on YouTube and Vimeo. Now, what is the point of this? Well, I mean, once you've made a video, what are you supposed to do with it? How is that an online course that you're going to make X amount of money from? By using other people's time, traffic and expertise. It doesn't show you any of this. You know, it doesn't show you anything. This is one I tried to make earlier. Again, this came out for 10 minutes, the holding slide. I don't know why. And the video didn't, the 30-second intro video I had in there didn't come up, didn't work. Oh, there you go.
Rule 2 covers marketing channels.
And then it just goes here. Then it's just like 10 minutes of blank space. This is where that epic thing was. It's just rubbish. It's just rubbish. You can't change the size of the front, this screen. I tried putting it down. It's just 10 minutes. It's just stuck at 10 minutes. It would not let me change it.
So without further
and then you
ado,
had that 30-second video and then it just goes blank. Another 10 minutes. It is completely rubbish, this thing. So, yeah, like I said, I mean, once you've made the video, what are you supposed to do with it? How are you supposed to make a course out of it? There's no training about it. Nothing. Done for you videos. There's no done for you videos here. That should have been deleted now. You have to add your own done for you videos. So, you know, look, this thing's changing all the time. I'm not even doing anything. I didn't add any of these people on here as well, so I don't know why you've got all these people's emails on my bloody software. So, guys, this is complete rubbish, man. It is completely rubbish. There's no training. The rendering takes too long. The videos don't even work properly. Man, what is the point of this? You know, it doesn't show you how to. There's no training on how to make a course for Warrior Plus, JVZoo or Udemy. I mean, Udemy, I suppose, once you've got the videos, you just add it to their platform. But if you're making a course for Warrior Plus, JVZoo, you need to know how to do that. This doesn't show you that. This shows you how to upload to YouTube. And if you're putting it on YouTube, then that's a bit pointless, isn't it? I mean, there's other things out there that's better. PowerPoint's better. You can make a proper presentation on PowerPoint. You can add video on PowerPoint. You can record audio, add audio. You can even do screen record. This is better. This doesn't even compare to PowerPoint. You've got other programs for courses. Like Thrive Apprentice. I've done a video for Thrive Apprentice on how to make an online course. Now this is the kind of thing you should be making. How to make a course. Not a video editor. You know, if you watched the video I made on this was easy to do. And you can just add text, video, everything. So quick and easy. It's unbelievable. So yeah, check out that video. Even Vidnami. You can even make, I mean, Vidnami wasn't really made for courses, but you can record on Vidnami. You can add text, video. You can make a course out of there if you, if you worked it in a different way. But this thing, it's a joke. It's a complete joke. So, man, I'm just shocked how bad this thing is. This isn't a course video builder. This is a course editor, and it's a cheap and nasty course editor. I mean, I know it's only, what, $17, but still. The whole point of this is to get you onto their sales funnel. And if the front end is this bad, what do you expect all the upsells are going to be like? They're going to be just as bad as well. And he talks about all these making money with courses and stuff, but I'd like to see him make a course out of this program. He would never do that. No one can make a course out of this. Like I said, you can use PowerPoint. PowerPoint is better than this. You got proper course makers like Thrive Apprentice, which I recommend if you want to make an online course. Well, not no cheap rubbish thing like this. You know, get hot buyer traffic in just hours with this. So you're gonna upload this thing to Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and you're gonna start getting buyer traffic. Yeah, I don't think so. So yeah, guys, stay away from this. This is completely rubbish, man. Seriously, it's completely crap. There's no training. The editor itself is complete rubbish. You're limited to the amount of video you can put on there. Essentially, you're just making slideshows, and you can do that on PowerPoint. You don't need this. PowerPoint's better than this. At least you're not limited with PowerPoint. So yeah, guys, don't waste your money on this. They should have spent more on the product than the sales page. The sales page is probably more expensive than the actual product itself. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna give this 1 out of 10 because this is complete rubbish. Don't waste your money on this. 90-day money back guarantee. They'll just offer you other courses that are just as bad as this. So yeah, it'll be a struggle to get your money back. You have to fight them to get your money back. So yeah, stay away from this. This ain't an online course creator. It's just an editor. And a really bad one as well. PowerPoint is better than this. Cool, I'll leave it there. My name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out the links in my description for my free course on affiliate marketing. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.